Plastic surgery fu lo chung chang kan tar lang thina tun trum chu a fu zwal lampang in thut kwal ve thung te ang he chu ni lo
kan kom thatu ri ko kyang anim chau bulana ban par chaka na ra wa nyal bula savati takte te phone zar phang mi buthu min zui jinga alai mi pumchunga bacteria ke tim velam kara shiming chalin ka du se
na 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 ku na matata lam 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 la te ti mel babuna hey soy turatam thiam ve mo in dia ron tel ve tiam tum tham mi fan te very boy pony se ka tum pe ka ring la
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Joseph
nghe cái lâu lúc không nước bị sao kami ông tí po thế đâu
anh nhìn tiêu lúc cầm thuê ông t-shirt
thế lâu ông nổi đây nghe mình không mà po cái lâu yêu là chân mình nhìn rồi
sao mà đi đó
giờ đi chiều
anh nhìn tiêu là gì ông t-shirt
Chris thế đâu đây này kêu múc po một lâu
Good morning, miss.
Good morning, class. Now I'm going to take your attendance. When you hear your name, say present, miss. Okay? Quarantina Joshi.
Present, miss.
Lockdown Singh Rathore.
Present, miss.
COVID Avasthi. COVID. Pay attention in the class. Otherwise, I'll send you back to China. Corona Pal Singh.
Present, miss.
Social distancing.
Present, miss.
Mask Mehto.
Present, miss.
Gloves Gaikwad.
Present, miss.
Wuhan Bhadoria. Wuhan, you and COVID are very naughty. Get out of my class right now. And my favorite, Atmanirbhar Kelawala.
Present, miss. Morning, miss.
Good morning, class. Today I'll distribute the results of the class test, okay? Sanitizer Srivastav, A plus, beta.
Thank you, miss.
Isolation De Silva, B plus.
Yes, miss.
Hydrochloroquine Siddiqui, beta, you've made us proud in every class. You've got A double plus.
Thank you, miss.
Red Zone Rastogi, you've got a C minus. Beta, follow the instructions, okay?
Yes, miss.
Immunity Kumar Saxena, you've got a C just like vitamin C.
Yes, miss.
Pandemic Pandey, you're all over the place, beta. You have to stay contained.
Yes, miss.
Hand wash Batliwala, you've got a A plus.
Yes,
And my favorite student, Vaccine Malhotra, you have again failed my class. First of all, you come late, everybody keeps waiting for you, then you keep failing every test. Beta, kaise chalega? The world is looking at you.